Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to freeze rows and freeze columns in Google Sheets. So if you want to learn how to freeze rows and column, so what you have to do first here, I will show you how to freeze row. So if I want to freeze this third row, so what you have to do, just select the third row, go to view option, and here you will see freeze option. Now you have to just click on up to third row. So when you click on up to third row, you will see third row is freeze. Now if you want to freeze this B row column, okay, so what you have to do, you can go to view, freeze, and then up to B columns. Now you will see B column is also freeze. So like this you can freeze rows and column in Google Sheets. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.